This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Ashley Shelton. Welcome to this beautifully updated 1-bedroom, 1-bath home, featuring a finished basement with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, laundry area and bonus room. Due to the ceiling height requirements, unable to count 1,008 square footage in lower level. The bedroom boasts spacious walk-in closets, and the entire house has been meticulously renovated with brand new windows, plumbing, electrical, floors, paint inside and out, doors, and siding. The heart of this home is the brand new kitchen, complete with sleek granite countertops, self-closing cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. Enjoy the comfort of a new HVAC system and the ambience of recessed lighting throughout. Step outside to a serene screened patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity in the highly sought-out Maryville area. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Shelton at 865-966-1111.